The Panasonic HC-X2000 UHD 4K 3G-SDI/HDMI Pro camcorder with 24x. Key features of this camcorder: up to UHD 4K 60 video, 3G-SDI, and HDMI out. 1/2.58.29mm OS sensor, Venus engine. 24x optical zoom, 48x digital eye zoom. 120 frames per second slow motion, live RTP streaming. Handle with 2 XLR inputs, LED light. Manual lens rings and dial, ND filter. 5-axis OIS 3.5 LCD touchscreen. Records MP4, MOV, HDHD to dual SD cards. Wide 25mm lens, 32x intelligent 4K zoom. Face detection AF feature.
Thank you for watching. If this video added value to you, kindly like, share, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more video of value.
Do you want to buy anything so easy at your comfort, ranging from technology, fabrics, musical equipment, home appliances, kitchen furniture, groceries and more? Look no further. ShopBy Online Mall, trusted online store for easy shopping.